Hi, it's Ellen here from Sherwood Hyundai. We have a snowy day out today. Come join me though as I walk around this 2015 Elantra GT. Mirrors have signal light indicators on them and they fold in really easily to get into those tight parking spots, or they are breakaway. It comes with a couple proximity keys, keyless entry. Let's make our way inside. On the driver's door, you can see it's got power windows, doors, and mirrors. The driver can easily adjust his seat for comfort with his left hand. This is an all-leather interior. On the left-hand side of the dash, right beside your steering wheel, you've got a couple buttons. Very first one, you can adjust the illumination of your gauges for nighttime driving, the brightness up or down, and you have your eco mode. Now that we're inside, let's start this vehicle up. You've got keyless start, press the button, and your brake at the same time. On the odometer, you can see you've got a reading of 62,529 kilometers. Let's make our way back to the left-hand side of the steering column. This is where you can adjust the radio stations along with the volume. And you've got your Bluetooth technology below that. Over on the right-hand side, you've got your cruise control, and this particular button here is your steering wheel mode. Let's see if we can zip in there a little bit. You've got normal, you've got sport, and you've got comfort. Below that, you can keep track of your trip, the kilometers, distance that you're driving. Let's make our way to the center of the vehicle here. This is your entertainment package. It comes with a CD up at the top here. It has your standard AM, FM radio. It is Sirius XM compatible. And if I put it into reverse, you can see it comes with a backup camera. And over here, if I press the button, English, agree, it does have navigation. Let's make our way a little bit lower. You've got your hazard lights here. And we're working our way into the climate control area. This is dual, so your passengers can adjust their own area. We have heated seats with 2 different settings for both you and your passenger. And of course, you've got your AC up here. Working our way a little bit lower, you've got a couple 12-volt outlets along with your auxiliary and USB. This is an automatic. You've got a couple drink holders and plenty of storage in your armrest. Up on the ceiling, you can turn your interior lights on. There is a spot for your sunglasses. If I drop down your sun visor, there is a light below it. And if I press this button here, this vehicle is equipped with a sunroof. It splits from the middle and it goes all the way out. Here we go, opening up. Let's make our way into the back row. As I indicated, this is an all-leather interior. Drop this down. It's got a couple drink holders in the armrest for you. Document holders behind the front seats. And if I pull this lever, the seat pops down very easily for extended storage. Let's make our way into the trunk area. Below the logo, there's a button here. Pop up the trunk. There's some floor mats there for you. I've left the seat down so you can see how much storage you can actually get. Both seats do pop down. Underneath the floor mats, you've got this little visor that protects your bumper if you're loading stuff, or it protects your pants. And below that, you have, a little bit heavy here, you've got a storage spot to be able to put a few things, your tools, and of course your tires underneath. Come down to Sherwood Hyundai and take this 2015 Elantra GT for a test drive. If you have any questions, I'm sure our sales consultants can give you a hand.